Bonus search navigation tools. First, tap the Chrome app and then type butterfly for example. And then search, of course. And you will see the words all images, videos, shopping, news, and more. Just tap the news and scroll down. You will see the logo of Google. Then, under the logo, there are numbers and arrows. Then, next. And for example, you selected number 4. Then, fourth search result page will be displayed. And if the number 8, then the eighth search result page is displayed and so on. Selecting the right arrow button takes the browser window to the very next search result, the page 2, and continues to go page by page as long as you click the arrow button. Clicking on the next word navigates the browser window to the very next search result page, the page 2, and continues to go to page by page as long as you click the arrow button. Once past the first result page, a left arrow and previous option appear. Use either or of these to navigate to previous search result page. That's all. Thank you.